Hi guys, CarSpark 2.0 and welcome back to another unboxing video. So yeah, I brought back another 8-pack here. This is the second 8-pack. And I'll be unboxing for you guys. Now, just to let you know, half of them are new to the collection. But the other half, we've seen before. I do my racing videos. With these last 3 seasons. So we're going to start to take a look at the new colors. We're going to be leaving the 4 colors that we already know of. So let's go get on out of there. Alright, it's out. Now let me get those 4 cards that we already know of out first. Now we can start showing you guys the new colors. We're gonna start with this Corvette Stingray. This is actually the second color to the blue one I have shown you guys in that one unboxing video. But it had the same in shape as the last one, and it had the same details. Like on the last one, they did, and the wheels they stayed the same. On this one, and so yeah, this one almost matches the blue one. On there. Well, now I'm over here. Here's the next one. The 356 Outlaw. New blue color. One thing I like about this one are the wheels. They suit the car very well. And those orange wheels look really good there. And you see decals on the hood and on the doors. And there's number 50 on it. Unfortunately, there are no details on this car at all. But overall, I think this Porsche looks good. That new blue color. Now I put it right there. Here's the next one. This one's called, yeah, it's Battler. It's Battler, the new white color. And see here, this has the letter B in there. Right next to that was a logo. So that's a lot of decals on this one. And this one it has a lot of white. And on the Porsche, the Battler also had my favorite kind of wheels. Those on it. Which looks good. For this one. Well, let me put that away. Right there. Now I'm gonna show you guys the exclusive to this pack that I can get only with this set. The Ford Mustang GT. Hey, custom made. Now you see on this one. And there are no details for the headlights and taillights, but the paint job looks very nice with the white stripes on near the side skirt and the hood, ceiling, and the rear wing. Oh yeah, there's only just one detail. Oh, they did add. They finally added the 5.0 badge on it. The other ones, they don't have the 5.0 badge on it. Well, this is a nice Mustang. Well, I think that's it for you guys. Let me know what your favorite and one of these 4 cars that you like the most. Well, that's it for this one. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.